Welcome everybody to another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon, and we're showcasing Income 15 version 2. Now this is obviously a platform that we've been in for the last 3 days. We've got a deposit of 50 USDT in this particular platform. As you can see in my previous video, I did a withdrawal of 750 and I have gained an extra 15 thereafter, bringing my total earnings to 2250. And I have this 15 to withdraw, which is what I'm going to do today in front of all of you. So that just goes to show, guys, we have deposited 50. We've got 3 days activity in this platform, and we're up to 225. So another 3 days, and our capital is out. And like I always say, thereafter, it's all in the house, and you are working the system exactly the way it should be worked. Now, these platforms can disappear at any given point, but of course, that is the risk we take, as we had made a deposit with what I call risk capital. And I do urge everyone who does get involved in this platform to consider it gambling, consider it a day out on a casino table, consider it putting a wager on your favorite team, football, American football, basketball, whatever. Just bear in mind, that's how the game goes. Now, this is not financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just here showcasing my gains and losses in the DeFi space. In this instance, we're creeping towards a profit. Now, if I just gladly let you know that this video is courtesy of Crypto Earning Weapon, where we showcase all the DeFi spaces that we're in and everything that's working for us. Falcon Investment is house money at the minute. Copy AI got all my money out, just paying me for free, and 3 more days for Income 15 version 2 to do the same. The link for this particular project, Income 15, is in the description. Guys, also I do urge you to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and aid in the growth of this platform. Now I'm going to do a live withdrawal for you. So we go across to withdraw funds. What will happen is the funds will be sitting there as 15 USDT, and it's highlighted there nicely. All we do is pop in the 15 that we look to withdraw. Don't really need to make a comment, it's just request. See what happens. 2FA, which is crucial, so go across to your Google Authenticator, pop in your 2FA, confirm. There you go, we've got a batch ID. This should take 2 to 4 minutes to hit your crypto wallet, be it Binance or whatever the case is. I'm happy with that. Already got half my money out of this platform, exactly what I wanted to do. When I put in the 50 US dollars, I said to myself, if I get halfway back, it was worth it. If I get it all back, if I start gaining, we've nailed another one. So on that note, guys, I am going to leave you. Make sure, guys, you put your 2FA on all your platforms. It is the Wild Wild West. This is another withdrawal, another win for the Crypto Weapon channel. Like I say, follow the channel. A couple of platforms on there that are working very nicely. Have a look, sign up for free. Test the platforms out. Remember, guys, you don't have to go in heavy. You don't have to go with big amounts, even though the platform is doing so. A lot of people are. If I log out of this and we will look at the TVL of this particular platform, it's been running for 6 days, very early. We've got 16,000 withdrawn, 87,000 in the platform. So that's a strong differential of about 80. So it's obviously growing, or in fact 70. So it's obviously growing very nicely as well. Here's a record of all the live withdrawals. So there we are, Crypto Earning Weapon. We've just done a withdrawal of 15, which is beautiful. Other people are withdrawing, as you can see. But hey ho, a lot of people are depositing as well. And that's what you want to see. So these people are obviously looking to make 50% on their investment. So just a recap of what it is going to be 10 days straight, and you are to receive 50 USD, 50% of your investment on top. So if you deposit 20, you'll receive $3 every day, and afterwards you'll receive 30 USD in 10 days. So you get an extra 50% on your investment in 10 days. So that's fantastic. Right, on that note, guys, I'm going to see you on the next video.